Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collection of pure silk cotton sarees, where we have very different collections of different combinations. We have this time very beautiful colors in the korbai pattern design. We have some nice checks pattern. We have plain with contrast, different type of collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. And without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications regarding the maintenance of these sarees. Please do dry wash for the first time for these kind of sarees, and then you can do a mild shampoo wash. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. Very beautiful MS blue shade silk cotton saree with a lovely contrast of zari borders on both the sides. Tissue zari border with a salvage of pink, and throughout the body we have beautiful butta of Annapakshi design running through the body of the saree, so that the saree looks really rich and classy. The pallu of the saree is this, a rich pallu in red shade, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 4,500. Beautiful green color pure silk cotton saree, in that a very nice Vanasingaram design which has been weaved in the body. Is completely a weaved design, hand weaved one, thread weaved. Vanasingaram means you have nice motifs of deer, elephant, all the different animals pattern design running through the body. Very classy one. Both the sides small zari border. If you want to have a closer look also, you can have a closer look of the weaving. Very classy weaving these sarees are. The pallu of the saree is this, in contrast lime green, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 4,900. A very beautiful pink color pure silk cotton saree in Vairavusi pattern with a reticulated border on both the sides. You could have a closer look where the Vairavusi, where you have the zari lines inside the saree. Very classy one. Throughout the body we have that design. The pallu of the saree is this, a rich pallu, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 3,920. A very beautiful dark mustard color silk cotton saree with the contrast of peachish pink border, korbai border. Very classy design. You could have a closer look how beautiful the color combination is. Very classy pattern, looks so awesome, so different a shade. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 5,350. A very beautiful magenta color pure silk cotton saree with a lovely reticulated border on both the sides with the contrast of sunset orange, and a beautiful checks, jari checks running through the body, and the checks pattern is also in a veldari pattern. Very different and classy design. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree 4,150. A very beautiful checks param katta with a bavanchi border on both the sides of the saree with a lovely butta running inside the body. Very classy one. Nice small buttas. The saree looks really grand. The pallu of the saree is this. The blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 4,480. A very beautiful nice orange and green color combination silk cotton saree with reticulated border. In the bottom we have a small LIC border, and the above part we have a beautiful Rudraksha page border. Very classy pattern, beautiful the saree looks. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 3,400. Very beautiful mustard with black and maroon color combination korvai saree. Very different a saree. In the border you have black and maroon color in the border with a small booties running in the body. Elephant pattern motif. Very classy one. Very different. These kind of weavings really take a long time to do, and very intricate ones. On the other side it's a black border. Very classy color combination. The pallu of the saree is this. Beautiful pallu, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 6,100. A very beautiful dark maroon with mustard combination pure silk cotton saree with zari checks in the body. And inside the body we have small inside the checks we have small manga motif booties. Very traditional and classy one. Both the sides a contrast border, and you can have a closer look of the border. It's in a Rudraksha Pet pattern design. The border is very beautiful. The pallu of the sari is this in mustard, and the blouse is also a contrast blouse, and the price of this sari is 4,350. Very beautiful pink with dark green color combination, Korvai silk cotton sari. Very lovely color combo. It's more of a dual tone shade with a lovely Korvai design, where the weaving by itself is a very intricate one. It's a pattu sari weaving. Very beautiful, lovely sari. This is nice pink with dark green combination. The pallu of the sari is this nice dark green, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 5,350. Very beautiful dark brown color silk cotton sari with a contrast of green border with a double paid border. One side it's more of a Rudraksham and other side it's a manga paid design. Very classy combination, looks very pretty. Different combination. The pallu of the sari is in green, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 3,500. Very beautiful red color pure silk cotton sari in a Vanasingaram pattern of weaving in the body. Very classy one. It's completely thread weave. Beautiful pattern of thread weave running through the body. Both the sides small zari border. The pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 4,900. A lovely tussar color with a beautiful combination of orange in the pure silk cotton sari, Korvai pattern. A beautiful tissue border, Korvai pattern, and above that you have a nice small temple weaving, which is a very classy pattern and typical in silk sari collections. These kind of borders look so classy. The body is a plain one. The pallu of the sari is this. The blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 5,460. Very beautiful maroon color pure silk cotton sari in checks pattern design, small checks, so it looks very pretty with the contrast of more of a mustard shade, and you could see the small checks, which is very classy, very ideal for elders also. It will look really pretty for them. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 2,970. A very beautiful lemon yellow shade, lemon green or lemon yellow, you could say both the ways, with a lovely contrast of nice Ananda blue shade in the border with a tissue zari border, and above that small temple design also. Very classy, beautiful color, lovely combination. The pallu of the sari is this, a rich pallu. The very beautiful blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 5,460. Very beautiful 1000 butta sari in nice violet shade with a double pate border on both the sides. The border is in zari pate, and throughout the body what with the Lakshadweepa butta is in thread weave. Beautiful classy weaving, very intricate weaving. These kind of work the weavers do are just awesome. Beautiful one. The pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 5,100. Very beautiful lovely mango yellow shade silk cotton sari with a contrast of maroon and a small zari border, and throughout the body you could see a small checks in maroon shade. I think you could see it. Beautiful maroon color, small checks, so it looks very pretty. The pallu of the sari is this in contrast maroon, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 2,970. A very pretty green and pink color combination, Rani pink color combination, contrast checks silk cotton sari with zari borders on both the sides, and inside the body we have beautiful buttas. It's parrot green and nice Rani pink shade, looks really nice. Very rich sari. The pallu of the sari is this, the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 3,990. A very beautiful pink with magenta combination, contrast pure silk cotton sari, completely a thread weave pattern. Very, very classic design. The border is a Rudraksha pet, which is a thread weave, and in the body you have a small plus sign design which has been running through the body. Very, very classy and intricate weaving. This is all pure handloom sarees. Lovely patterns. The pallu of the saree is this, a rich one. And the blouse of the saree is this. And the price of this saree is 5,230. Very, very different combination of nice teal with a lovely contrast of magenta shade or a dark wine shade. A lovely color combination. You could see a beautiful border. You can have a small meenakari work also is there in the border. And throughout the body, it's a small checks running through the body. Very, very classy pattern. The wine color looks so classy. The pallu of the saree is this. Such a different combination. The blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 5,900. A very lovely Palam Padamam Kattam silk cotton saree with the beautiful zari borders on both the sides, and in the checks we have small booties running through the body of the saree. Very, very classy pattern, lovely color. The pallu of the saree is this in maroon, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 3,990. A very beautiful MS blue with pink color combination contrast silk cotton saree with a nice retapete border on both the sides, and throughout the body we have zari checks running through the body. So the saree looks really grand and rich. The pallu of the saree is in pink, beautiful color, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 4,150. Very beautiful, nice dual tone shade of green and yellow mix, more of a dark lime green shade with a classy pink color combination korvai border, and above the korvai also we have a lovely mango paid design. These designs are very, very difficult to weave, and it really takes more than 1 or 2 days to weave these kind of sarees, which are very, very classy korvai pattern design. Lovely color combination. The pallu of the saree is this, beautiful pallu. Such a lovely combination, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 5,350. A very beautiful blue color silk cotton saree, completely a thread weave pattern of veldari. Both the sides we have a small Rudraksha ped border or a double ped border of in thread weave, and throughout the body it's a veldari design running through the body, more of a bluish violet dual tone shade. The pallu of the saree is also a rich thread weave pallu, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 4,620. A very beautiful maroon color pure silk cotton saree in a nice checks pattern design in green checks with a contrast of green border with a small zari border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful checks running through the body in green. Very, very classy and looks so beautiful. The pallu of the saree is this in green, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 3,470. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.